Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Blessings, blessings, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. Anyway, may I get right into it. A St. Andrew vendor who spent almost 4 months in custody before he was freed last week of a robbery charge is making a special plea to the police not to tell lies. When I hear that, on innocent persons, Kimani Pusi, 43, is also imploring the police to investigate cases properly because innocent people who are falsely accused and locked up can be scarred for life. I agree with this vendor. Really and truly. Una can't believe this? Vendor freed after 4 months in custody due to cops' lies. Due to how the police tell lie upon the man, make him man in a lockup for over 4 months, my viewers and subscribers. These are the things that the police, they always do. And not new, enough of the time they do that. Innocent man go to prison. Seriously, enough of the time them lie against the citizen, and the citizen then end up behind bars. These things are unacceptable. Them something are right. Them are something are wrong on all levels, my wisdom warrior. So when I hear him come out, and I tell the police them to investigate cases properly, they need to do that. They need to investigate cases thoroughly. I throw the man attack, and I agree with him. You can't imagine. This a man could have all scarred. You understand? Him could have all scarred. And what them do to him, want it to happen to other people. This is a man. This is a man of integrity. Him a look out. Him a look out for him people them. Yes. This a vendor ya lock up for 4 months because police tell lie upon him. You know how much people they behind bars right now, my wisdom warriors, where police then tell lie upon, wicked lie upon, lie upon, and then they are prison. You don't know that though. You don't know a whole heap of people got prison innocently because I police them. Yes, man, you have some terrible police, You have some good police, get me wrong. But you have some wicked police, we tell lie upon you for no reason at all, Yes, man. Yes, that's true. So when you see all these things is happening, them are something not supposed to happen. So when the vendor come out and the vendor attack, the vendor have a right to talk all these things because the man has been charged for robbery when nothing no go so. Nothing no go like that in my wisdom warriors. The man never robbed nobody. But because the police go tell lie upon him, the man in a jail for 4 months. These police is enough. That's why I said the police them for wear the body cam, Yes, man. I said the police them for wear body cam. Every single police for wear body cam. And if them body cam is not working, they're not supposed to go on no duty. If them body cam is not working, they're not supposed to go on duty. Because the first thing they have to do a morning time and evening time and make sure so them body cam is intact. You understand me? Remember, say Horace Chang did come out and say body cam is not a priority. Who remember that? Can we talk about it over here? Yes, man, we talk about it over here few times from last year. We are up in the last year. Horace Chang come out and say body cam for police them wear is not a priority. You can't imagine a security minister this way I talk about it. Horace Chang a few security minister and he must say the police they don't need body cam. Remember say the body cam them are for protection, Yeah, for proof, evidence, protection, for protect civilians and protect police also. And if I hear a security minister come out, a talk like that, say body cam is not a priority. What wanna really think about on here Jamaica Labour Party? Member of Parliament, Deputy Prime Minister when Andrew Holness is not around, Horace Chang, him take over as a deputy prime minister. On top of that, he's a security minister. And him a say that body cam is not a priority, my viewers and subscribers. These people sick in their brain. And then they turn around and say they love Jamaican people. Then people ain't love Jamaican people because there's no way you can say you love Jamaican people and then you go say the body cam for the police them wear is not a priority. That makes sense? That don't make no sense. That this is to show you so they don't want good for the country. This is to show us that Jamaica Labour Party do not want good for the country. And it's just the truth. So when me see this come out in the article, me did have to run with it. Come here say look on that now. Look on that. Enough people are go through them something there. When police go tell lie upon them, say this and police them are doing enough. They do it enough, my viewers and subscribers. Just because nobody no record them, but enough people got prison innocently for all these things. But anyway, you want to tell me what you think about it and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Probe underway into attack on 50 accounts at JMMB, my viewers and subscribers. On a year what go down? Let me read it to you. Group marketing manager at the JMMB Bank, Kerry-Ann Stimson, says both the police and the bank are investigating a series of attacks on about 50 accounts held by its customers. Wanna hear them bangaranga, you know? Wanna say what go on? 50 customer money missing right now, my viewers and subscribers. Wanna say what go on? The attack saw fraudster exploit the bank identification number or BIN, the first 6 numbers on the front of a customer's debit card. JMMB says the fraudster used several computing attempts to guess a valid combination of a client's card number, expiration date, and card verification number, CVV. You know what now? This is what I understand. And you only say them come out with digital. So how it a go work? How this digital business a go work now when it come to the financial department? Everybody money a go missing. Everybody money is gonna go missing. Because guess what? The people them in the bank can't be trusted. The people in the bank can't be trusted. Allegedly. And the people them in the bank I take a customer money and me say so, it's think out a road. So I have to use the term alleged. You understand? Yes, me have to use it because me not have no proof at all. I'm only delivering the message. So my wisdom warriors, it is alleged that the people them, the worker them in the bank, are them a thief people them money. Yeah, and them are the fraudster. This is where me I get to understand. And these things is wrong. It's like you can't trust nobody you can't trust. That's why I'm telling you, so I save on the money on the yard. Nobody now gonna know. The last time I say save money I had somebody come in the comment section and attack me and I say me want gunman fi come kill them. My viewers and subscribers, sorry about that. Me have to bust out a laugh, seriously. And so them say, because if no money I go missing, not because you know reach a fear doorstep yet. I may encourage uno. Me say uno save uno money on the yard. Nobody not have to, or wherever uno want to keep it. Keep it somewhere safe. Nobody don't have to know. Unless uno go tell people so uno have money on the yard. Or uno go on some type of way and boast or show off uno money. But how people are gonna know so uno have money on the yard are safe? You understand me? So when me hear people come in the comment section and cuss me and I say, me are wicked because me I tell people them to save at home. And the right thing me I tell you no. Because if uno leave you all on the millions and billions in an account and the bank say it missing, uno nah go get it back. Uno nah go get it back, my wisdom warriors. So might as well uno take it upon yourself and keep uno money on the yard or somewhere that is safe. Uno hear what me I tell uno. All right, because more bank are gonna come out and say people money missing. More people are gonna come out and start ball out and say their money missing. Look on the other bank them. The people them are wait, customers is waiting from Wapikil fill up for them money. All know they can't get a dime. And you know, here Nigel Clark come out and say nothing about that. And the wholeness worse. When it come to financial money, hey, you never hear them come out and talk about it. No, they don't come and talk about it. Anytime people money go missing, Not one word. They not come out and say about it. I wonder why. I wonder what is really going on behind the scenes. My viewers and subscribers, I only can wonder. If you telling you the truth, I only can wonder. Because me no know how the people them just take with the people them money after a sudden. Because remember, you know, when I have to look into things, you know, remember say you have managers and workers in the bank, you know, a run off, you know, a run off with the bank money. What they want to do to customer? What they want to do to customer? So we have to look out our eye. You understand? My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me, wanna think about all these things that is going on. Wanna listen, wanna tell me, wanna think, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. A male vendor was shot and killed along the Sir Florizel Glasspool Highway in Kingston this morning. The shooting occurred around 7:50. It has come to my attention that the vendor usually conducts business at the location. The East Kingston police are currently processing the crime scene. Detectives are now combing the area adjacent Carib Cement. So my viewers and subscribers, when you hear what go on, what I go on, listen. Me always tell you about this pastor. Him always come out. Listen, if you listen to that man, me always hear talking on TV, play him all the time. Even over here, me play him 1 and 2 times. Yeah? He always come out and tell the people of Jamaica to pray. Because what he is seeing, if the man says something happen up this on fire, go happen over this and killing, everything always come to pass. Majority of the something them when say it happen. It's clearly happening in front of our eyes. And we need to pray. And we need to fast more. And we need to have we anointing oil and anoint ourselves. So I want to know if you always listen to this pastor. I think his name, I can't remember his name right now. But next time, me tell you no his name. But me play him over here 1 and 2 times, but talk him on TV, always play him. And if the man say shooting and happen down there, so pray and cancel. Everybody if you come together. And that him saying, everybody if you come together and pray. You understand? But when you look, then the incident happen. You understand me? So this pastor, he's very good. He's seeing what is going to happen. And I think people will start believe and people will start pray against all these things. The Bible says we fight against principalities and powers. And people have to know that. You understand? People have to pray and cancel. Because, you know, nobody know. Prayer, not too much. So if we come together and pray, you would even know how much life would save when we pray. You understand, my wisdom warriors? So a lot of these things, when the pastor say it happen, me see it come to pass, me see it happen. And that this is to show you what he's telling people to pray and cancel, but it look like nobody now pray. I don't know what them do. I don't know what Jamaican people do. I don't know what kind of praying them do or who them pray to, but I do not know. The only thing we can ask God is have mercy on us. That's all. But anyway, my wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. An extended family is trying to pick up the pieces after a house was reportedly set on fire by a relative. My viewers and subscribers, that's what I talk about. And apparently this relative that set the house on fire have mental issues. You understand? And right now the police is telling everybody in Jamaica to take mental health serious. And you know, so me always come over here and talk. You know that. So me always come over here and say a lot of people have mental problem. You understand? But true, they not take it serious in Jamaica. You understand me? Jamaican, they not take it serious. Then just say, oh, true, I'm mad girl that, and laugh it off. And I know say something wicked. You get me? It's something wicked. So we have to take this serious. Because look, somebody could lose them life. You understand? But luckily, nobody lose them life. Luckily, nobody lose them life. You understand? And again, when I get to understand, another first, them house set ablaze. This is a shot. Well, you know what? I'm going to make you listen to the video. So hear the family speaking.
There's been an ongoing situation for the past about 2 weeks or so, where she has been going off, on and off, on and off. So I don't know. I left this morning, went to work, and I'm not sure what happened. I just got a call. So she might have had a situation this morning. I don't know for certain. I'm very distraught, but I'm going to go have a beer right now because this is too much. I can't for me to have that fire where I lost everything last year, and then to come and this happen again in such a short period of time, it's too much. But we didn't lose anyone, so we're fortunate for that.
So my wisdom warrior, I want to hear what the family member say. Right now, the man stress right out because less than a year, the man lose him house to fire. Same problems. So right now, the man stress right out. That's why we have to take mental issues seriously in this country because a lot of people is sick. And when no found us to say the family member is sick, we no need to bring them to some institution or something. We no need to support on a family member. Don't just leave them like that and don't do anything. It's only going to get worse. It's only going to get worse. So my wisdom warrior, want to take in the police and hear what the police have to say.
2 units from York Park assisted in putting out the blaze, but pretty much everything destroyed. Just about everything. I believe she was a dressmaker, and all her equipment and other things were damaged. Thanks be to God, no lives were lost, and for that we are eternally grateful.
So my wisdom warriors, right now, the suspect is getting help. So the family member that burned the house down is getting help at this minute. You understand? And the police is pleading with the Jamaicans so if it take mental health serious. You probably not hear me play it in here, and everything me can play, me have to be very careful. That's why I'm gonna say me have to cut out some part and play some part. All right. So me I make you know what the police say. The police is pleading with all Jamaicans to take mental health issues seriously. So as I said before, if you don't have a family member and you see something wrong with them, try and support them. Don't leave them hanging, because when you leave them hanging, they're only getting worse and worse and worse. Straight away, the earlier you deal with it, it better is it for everybody. Anyway, want to tell me how you feel about this, want to think about it, and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. My wisdom warriors, now it is in the article saying how Jamaicans continue to have mixed views about Prime Minister Andrew Holness and opposition leader Mark Golding, even with a general election on the horizon. That's the result of a poll conducted by Market Research Service Limited, led by Don Anderson. Here I know, my wisdom warriors, I don't understand what happened to this article, because as far as me know, Mark Golding a lead. So not a mixed views in a nothing. Mark Golding is leading. Just like how before local government election, Mark Golding did a lead, and everybody knows that Mark Golding win the local government election. Andrew Holness then goes to Obama and then get vexed and then go and like say, a them win. When everybody knows say it wasn't JLP that win, it was PNP. Yeah. Now them are run up and down because them stress right out. JLP then stress right out because they can't bear Fissy say a Mark Golding a lead pan the poll. Yeah, they can't bear Fissy. Yes, man. So them a go round and a pay the article them. And that them a do paying the article them Fissy a them. Fissy a them a lead. Allegedly, my viewers and subscribers, we don't know the thing go already. We all know that Mark Golding is leading. So when I say them a come out now, I say, I have to make you know what is going on. Because them a come out and I say mixed views. Mixed views what? There's no mixed views. Everybody knows, say, 150% Mark Golding is leading. Just like before the local election, and Mark Golding did a lead. The same thing are going right now. Mark Golding is leading. So them a talk about voters lukewarm towards Prime Minister, opposition leader. Come on. Everybody know Mark Golding a lead. But Andrew Holness, anytime you see, so everybody come out and talk about PNP, he get vexed, he get vexed, he stress right out to the ground that the man is stressed, because him always want everybody to talk about good about him. And there's nothing good about Andrew Holness, because number one, the first thing he need to do, if you go declaring asset, and he can't do that. So there's nothing good in your Andrew Holness. From you can come out and declare your asset, and you under investigation because it is alleged that you are one of the 6. It is alleged that you are one of the 6. And remember, you know what, my viewers and subscribers, may have something for address. It just come to my mind. But before that, remember, say the Integrity Commission say there is 6 main persons that is under investigation. Yeah. And we all know say you I wanna hit. We know that this is why you put out the gag order. No, my wisdom warriors, you have some people on social media going around and spreading propaganda upon the PNP. I put up Mark Golden name and some other people say them are the six. And I'm like, what JLP then? Like, you know? Like Jamaican people, well-thinking Jamaicans, I want to know if you do no research and check and say who is the thief who is the thief under investigation? Is the Jamaica Labour Party? You understand? Integrity Commission now hide nothing. So when I see them spread propaganda, boy, me can't believe say I saw people wicked. Me know say people wicked, but me never know say I saw the JLP them wicked. You know, if you go around on social media telling lies, they wicked man. Uno wicked and uno shall suffer. Uno wicked people who have spread propaganda. Uno shall suffer because uno too wicked. How dare uno? How dare uno, man? Seriously, it is disgusting. Why uno come out and tell such a lie upon the PNP when uno knowing on yourself? No, man, me shame, man. Me shame for uno. Uno wicked bad. Uno have nothing else to come at PNP because PNP is following the rules and regulation. PNP now do nothing wrong. They declare all of them asset. They end up on the right track. And all uno can come out, Jamaica Labour Party supporters, come and tell lie on the PNP. Uno too damn wicked and uno will suffer. Uno JLP supporters that is going around and spreading propaganda. Uno a wicked man. Uno fi stop it. Talk truth. Come out and show things. Stop tell lies. Uno stop tell lies. My wisdom warrior, I'm gonna tell me one thing and put uno honest opinion in this comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and uno big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.